Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to start Alchemy. In the beginning, let's go to Inventory by pressing I button. Enter Alchemy and find Mortar and Pestle. Tap on it. And now select Ingredients. The more equipment you've got, for example, retort, alembic, calcinator, the better potions you can make. Tap Create button to create potion. Under a specific ingredient, you can see its perks. For example, if you add 2 ingredients with Restore Fatigue, you will have Restore Fatigue on Self Potion. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.